Only on Parkways.
In the name of Allah, who is the most magnificent and merciful. Hello, everyone. Hope you are doing great. Today we have a car, Toyota CHR, 2017 model, 2022 clear. It's having auction grade 4, total genuine car. It's in family use, very immaculate condition. All Punjab registration number. You can take a look on backside. Uh, New tires installed recently, 1 week ago. It's 1,18,000 driven. Let's go look into the car. Very neat from inside. Wow. GLED installed. 1,18,000 driven. I told you before. So guys, if you wanna purchase this car, please go on to the subscription link of Park Wheels. Thank you so very much.
Only on Parkways.